Hello everyone, welcome back to this exciting and informative video of mine. In today's detailed video, I will guide you on how to efficiently comment in thousands of group boxes with just one simple click using the advanced MagaTech Care software. And how to do it? Let's find out together in this comprehensive video. First, you need to open the MagaTech Care software application. Select the viral marketing function from the menu. Continue to select the group comment function from the available options. Here, you carefully set the configurations according to your specific device, and then proceed to select the appropriate group ID. After you have the group IDs you want to comment on, press Ctrl+S to save your settings. Next, choose the content. You will select the content you want to comment on in the groups from those posts. Select group ID, comment, then choose account. You want to comment in the groups from those posts, After you have set up the configurations, selected the group ID and the content of the comment. The content of the comment, the next step will be to choose the account. After everyone has provided enough information, you press start and it will automatically open the tabs and perform the action of commenting in the groups to assist everyone. It opens the tabs and performs the action. The action is to comment in the groups to assist everyone.